Good morning, students. How are you? Very nice. Okay. So, last class, what did you know? Quadrilaterals. Okay. So, the quadrilaterals are formed by four line segments. Very good, children. Today, you are going to learn one more new topic, that is polygons. Poly means, yes, poly means many. Gons means sides. Many sides. A figure contains many sides is called a polygon. So up to now you have seen two types of polygons. What is that? Yes, triangle. So the triangle contains how many sides? Three sides. And quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has how many sides? Four sides. Okay, if that figure, any figure contains five sides, what we call? Yes, that is a pentagon. Pentagon. So pentagon is, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is a pentagon. So quadrilateral you have seen in the last class. Okay, so and for triangle is this one. Okay, so right. Suppose if more than 5, so that means 6 sides. If 6 sides figure contains, what is the polygon name? Yes, 6 sides means hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. And if 8 sides, yes, octagon. 9 sides, nanogon, okay, and if 10 sides, you can call that polygon is a decagon, 10 sides, okay. So you have to draw how the hexagon contains 6 sides, remaining all you have to draw. Okay, children. So next we go for exercise problems. Take your textbook. Exercise 5.8. So examine whether the following are polygons. If one of them is not, say why. So take your textbook. First question. Okay, so first one. Observe the figure. Okay, so first question A1. Whether the following are polygons, if one of them is not, say why. So observe this figure, is it a polygon? So what you have learnt in the polygon? Yes, polygon is a closed figure. It has more than 3 sides. Okay, so that means it is made up of line segments. Observe this figure. Tell me, is it a polygon? No, so it is not a polygon. Why? Because it is not a closed figure. Right? You have to write here. No, it is not a polygon. Second one. Second figure, observe. Tell me, is it a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon. Why? Because it is a closed figure made up of line segments. Right. Third one is a circle. Circle is a polygon. No, it is a curve. Okay. So it is a closed curve, but it is not made up of any line segment. So that's why it is not a polygon. So next, fourth one is cone. Okay. So it is a polygon. No, it is also not a polygon. If you observe here, it has two line segments, but here base has curve shape. So that's why it is also not a polygon. This is the reason you have to write neatly in the textbook only. Right. Second question. Name each polygon. Name each polygon. Second one, observe what is the name of this polygon. So here this figure contains how many sides? Yes, 4 sides. Any figure contains 4 sides is a quadrilateral. So what is the name of this figure? Is is a quadrilateral. And second one is, yes, it is a triangle. Very good. It is a triangle because it has three line segment. It is a closed figure. And the third one is, observe this figure. Yes, it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 sides is a which polygon? Is a pentagon. Is a pentagon. So 5 sides polygon is a pentagon. So next one is, so draw clearly here. Okay children, observe this figure. So it is made up of line segment. Okay, count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So figure contains 8 sides. 8 sides polygon is a octagon. Octagon. Very good children. So next, if you want to make, you can take 2 more examples each of this following. Okay, you have to do yourself. And next, third one, read question. Yes, draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. So, what you have observed here? You have observed. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. You have to draw first in your notebook with the help of pencil and ruler. Draw a hexagon, regular hexagon. Hexagon means it has 6 sides. 6 sides. Okay. Okay, so you name the hexagon is A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. So you have to connect to any 3 of its vertices. Here you have 6 vertices. You have to take 3 vertices only. So that vertices connect. You have to draw triangle. So now I am taking here A vertices to E. So here the vertices are joined by a line segment. Okay. So now I have drawn one triangle. What is the name of this triangle? Yes, that is AFE triangle. Okay. Identify the type of triangle you have drawn. Observe carefully which type of triangle it is. Very good. So these two are equal. So such type of triangle is called a two sides equal. Such type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So here you write it is an isosceles triangle. First you write here ABCD EF is a regular hexagon. Is a regular hexagon, and the triangle formed by joining AFE. Okay. So now which type of triangle? AFE triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay children. So next one, same question. So like this, you have to draw a figure, rough sketch of this figure and give the name what he asked in the question. You have to draw that one. So fifth one also we have homework. Fourth, fifth one we have to do yourself. Okay. So note down, homework is exercise 5.8, page number 108, question number 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay, next topic is 3D shapes. Do you know 3D shapes? 3D nothing but It has length, breadth, height also. So one example, tell me what is the 3D shapes? Yes, cube. Very good. Cuboid. Next, cuboid. And one more example for three-dimensional shapes. Triangular prism. Okay, prism, triangular prism. We have three-dimensional shapes are there. Okay, so one by one we explain now detail. First of all, cube. Okay, children, what is the shape of this one? It is a cube. So how many faces it contains? So how many vertices it has? How many edges it has? First of all, you have to know what is a face, what is vertex, what is edge. So face means here each side of a cube has a flat surface. A flat surface. So this flat surface is called face. This flat surface is called face. Okay. So two faces meet at a line segment is called edge. Two faces meet at a line segment is called edge. Okay. What is meant by vertex? Three edges meet at a point. Three edges meet at a point is called a vertex. So now tell me how many faces has cube? Yes, how many faces? 6 faces. Okay. So next, how many edges? How many edges has a cube? How many edges? 12 edges. Very good. Now, how many vertices? How many vertices? How many vertices, ma? 8 vertices. So, observe it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, these are the 8 vertices. Okay, so if we have at your home example for the cube, you have that one you are playing every day with the cube, right? So you observe that cube once again carefully. How many faces it contains, how many edges it has, how many faces it has, you have to observe. Now, so remaining 3D shapes you have to see in the video. You enjoy with the video. Okay, na children?
2D and 3D shapes. Children, you have learnt about plane and solid shapes in class 2. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has 4 sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has 4 vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has 4 vertices. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have 3 measurements: length, breadth, and height. So a solid shape is also known as 3-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges, and vertices. Some of the shapes of solids are: look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where 3 edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces: 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face, and 2 side faces. Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. The die with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has 1 vertex and it has 1 curved edge. It has 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 flat face. All solid figures have 3 different views: top view, front view, and side.
Children, have you enjoyed with the video? Very nice. What did you observe from cube and cuboid? Have you seen? Yes. So this cube have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. In the cuboid also having same. Yes. Is it right? Yes. It has also 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. 8 vertices. Okay, so remember what are the 3-dimensional shapes. So having the vertex, edge, faces. This is very important. Okay, so once again how to remember this all in your mind. Right. Okay, children. So turn your textbook page number 110. take here, you have do this, you have to do yourself. So this one you have to fill. And next, not only that, exercise 5.9. In the exercise of 5.9, you have matching. Up to now you have learned what is the 3D shapes now. So what are 3D shapes? These 3D shapes given here, match the following. You have to match. First, cone. What is a cone? Cone shape. Cone shape is, yes, it is a cone shape. Okay. So next is sphere. Sphere is, yes, is a ball. Next, cylinder. Cylinder shape is, it is also 3-dimensional shape. Okay. This is a cylinder. Example for the cylinder is, yes, your pencil. Okay. Right. Next, cuboid. So cuboid. Yes, one more example for cuboid is your notebook, and so that bricks also there, na? Bricks. So that is example for the cuboid. Okay, na? Right. So next, E1, pyramid. So this is the shape for pyramid. This one you have to match in your textbook. Right. Next, give 2 new examples of each shape. Already I given examples for this. So we have cone example is your Christmas hat is there, a cap. Yes, there is one more example for the cone. Okay, birthday caps. Yes, birthday caps is the example for cone. So like that, sphere is example, laddu. Okay, laddu. Ball, yes, ball, globe. Okay, so these are the examples for the sphere. Like that, you have to write each dimensional shapes. Next, second one, what shape is your instrument box? Instrument box shape is, yes, so cuboid. What is your instrument box shape? Cuboid. Second one, a brick. Brick is a same cuboid. Matchbox, cuboid. Road roller, cylinder. Sweet laddu, sphere. Okay, children. Today we have completed understanding the elementary shapes. Okay, children. Bye. Have a nice day.